gives me more fine. How do you spend your time? I don't have a question. When it comes to competition, I'm burying them. Better to bury them than have them getting Larry again. They want it with me like they want it with malaria. Like Wayne Bridge wants to be John Terry again. I developed an obsession with Caroline Black. I wouldn't mind having a go on Caroline's actually. I promise to never be so vulgar, to never mention putting my cobra inside the van and call the cobra. I swear. I think I've got it out of my system now. Sure. I'm once again ready to answer questions.
Good, because there's so much of it wanting to ask you.
About 8 inches.
What?
Don't piss me off. No. Yeah. No. At your Human ultra microscopic silico volcano coniosis. I don't know what that is, but I know that it flows sick.